Fix sign in with your Microsoft account to continue app experiences error in Windows 11. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Run the Windows App Troubleshooter. Corrupted store files might cause login errors. Please follow these steps. Fix 2. Sign in with your local account before verifying. Sometimes, users manage to resolve the issue by signing into a local account before verifying their accounts. Here's how. Here, you will see the option to sign in with a local account. Instead, click it. Provide the necessary information and reboot your system. Try verifying the account once again. If it works, switch to your Microsoft account once again. Fix 3. Install all Windows updates. Fix 4. Check for corrupted files. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. Fix 5. Reset or repair Microsoft Store. Fix 6. Create a new user account. Creating a new user account helped users to resolve the sign in with your Microsoft account to continue app experiences error in Windows 11.